Hello everyone. Today I will share with you how we can use tab in Vim. Tab in Vim will help you to work with multiple files. And if you're familiar with some editors like VSCode or Notepad++, so you will definitely uh, really familiar with the tab. Okay, so let's check out how many files I currently have in this current directory. So I have header.php, introductions, layout.php, temp2, and temp3. So let's open the introduction. Okay, so this is my introductions file, and now I want to open a temp file in a new tab. How can I do that? I will need to turn into the command mode. I press escape. So now I type a command tab edit with the name of the file. So temp. Okay. If you pay attention on the top, you will see that now I have a tab with a name temp and tab with a name instruction. So if I want to open a new tab, then I will continue to type a command tab edit temp2 tab edit temp3. So now you see that I currently have four tabs open, which is introductions, temp2, and temp3. So now I want to switch between these tabs to use it. So now I want to move to temp2. How can I do that? We have a command called tab previous. So tab P it means that tab previous and current tab is temp3. Okay, is in black. And if I want to move to temp2 is a previous tab or temp3. So I will type a command tab p. It means tab previous, tab p again, tab b again, and it's move to the previous tab each time. And if you want move to the next. For example, that in here I'm currently at the introduction file and I want to move to the next tab, which is temp file. Then I need to type a command tab n. The same tab n move to the temp2, tab n move to temp3. So what if I want to move to the first tab? I also have a command for do that. Tab first. It will move to the first tab and tab last. It will move to the last tab. It's like very convenient for us to move around the tab. So when you finish to work with a tab, how can you close it? It's very easy. You can tab close, tab close, and also we have a command like tab only. It means that you have many tabs. And for example, that currently I am at a temp tab. I just want to focus in this and I want to close on the tab. Then I need to type tab only. Then it will hold my current tab and close on the on other tab only. Okay, it's just hold the current tab. We also have a tabs command to list all the tabs we have. So maybe I will open a temp2 tab edit, a temp3. So I will want to show all the tabs here. And if you see the error, it means that my current tab is here. Okay, so as you can see that I have tab page one, tab page two, tab page three, and in tab page one I have a temp file. In page two I have temp two file. In tab page three I have a temp three file. Okay, so my current tab is temp three. So let's practice. I want to move to the first tab. How can I do? Type command tab first. I want to move to the last tab, then tab last. I want to move to the previous tab, which have a temp2 file, tab B. Okay, I want to move to the next tab, which have a temp3 file, then tab N. Okay, I want to close this tab, then I will type tab close. I will list all the tabs. I will tabs. Okay, and it show that my current tab page is tab page 2. And I want to open again temp3 file in a new tab and temp3, and I want to hold the current tab which have temp3 file and close on the tab. Then I type the command tab only. Okay, so that's it about tab in Vim. So tab in Vim will provide you a way you can work with multiple files, and I think you will be more familiar with tab in Vim because we also have a tab in like VSCode, in Notepad++, in Atom, and in Sublime Text. Okay, so that's it for today. If you enjoy this video, please like it. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer it as soon as possible. And if you think this video will useful to other, please share it. And if you don't want to miss my latest video, don't don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.